Thanks for tuning in to Barbecue It. I'm Craig Kimberly, your host, and today is a first. It is a huge thank you video, then a what's coming up video, and a surprise unboxing from a new product that I am ecstatic about. But first things first, I am overwhelmed and humbled and excited that we reached 10,000 subscribers. Now, I know for some people that might not seem like a lot, but to me, it is massive. It's a big deal, and I am over the moon about it. So thank you, and you, and you, and everybody else that tuned in, subscribed, watched videos, shared it, whatever. Somehow we got to 10,000 really fast. 2 weeks ago, we had 5,000. So really, really thankful for that. And I've been getting tons of comments, lots of suggestions, lots of great encouragement, and of course, a few smart asses. So anyways, lots of stuff coming up. Very exciting, a lot of things to cover between products, videos, road trips, celebrities. I mean, there's just so much going on. And let me break down a few for you. Another milestone that we've had is that we've got our first kind of Barbecue It industry sponsor via the barbecue charcoal test that I did. B&B was ecstatic about the product and the product winning, and I think the video, and they asked if they could be a part of Barbecue It. So you'll be seeing a lot of B&B now if you haven't noticed already. So that's a really big deal for us. Just another amazing milestone. But a big thanks also to Foster's Grill Store, my local grill store here in Gloucester, Massachusetts, and to my buddies at Backlash Beer for giving me some beer, and and Ted Reed, of course, my good buddy Ted, who has helped put this thing all together, make it happen. So just a big thanks to everybody, because honestly, there's no way that I would have gotten here with this YouTube channel and this show without everybody's help and belief, just like you believing in the product and coming back and watching it. So really cool. So other things we got coming up is I spent some time with Brad down at the shed, so that's coming up really cool. We did everything but cook, because I know when most people get together with Brad, all they do is cook. No, we did everything but cook. We had a blast.
And I used to just love to go to the juke joint.
Shed pimp.
The hood, of course, opens up.
Look at that, baby.
It's kittens. One thing I've never found in the Willis. Yeah.
Ooh! That's so cool. Going to buy the real shit.
Maybe. Cheers.
Cheers to that, yeah. That was a great time. So we got a lot of other stuff coming up. Memphis in May. Actually been there twice now. Once as a spectator, second time as a competitor, and got to know and meet Malcom Reed, who is a big influence on me. And if you don't know how to barbecue right on YouTube, you literally just tuned in today for the first time. But big influence on me, and just somebody that motivated me by interviewing him. He gave me some great advice, and here's a little piece of that. That's right. I told you we'd find killer hogs in Malcom Reed.
Take the judging class to get judge certified, and then take a cooking class. The biggest thing is just be consistent and do it.
Barbecue It, hanging out with Malcom Reed, how to barbecue right. And I'll tell you what, he sure as hell knows how to barbecue right. The winds just showed up. We heard there's 30-mile-an-hour winds coming this way, golf ball size hail. Man, that's big boy status here at Porkosaurus.
We have to train and eat and smoke and eat and smoke.
I've done some of this exact training. That's really good. I would say rib number one is a go. We're in the presence of royalty all day today. This has been awesome. Let's see who won. There's a lot of bodybuilders at this tournament. Look at that guy.
Dirty South, baby. Put some Dirty South in your mouth.
There's the color, baby. So do you remember when I interviewed you last year?
Okay. Yeah, stuck in with all the equipment and everything.
Oh, exactly.
I remember, man.
Put together my own team, launched my YouTube channel, and just been trying to grind it out. The Gloucester, Massachusetts.
You. That's cool, man. Thank you, man. So good to see you, man.
You too, Malcom.
All right.
Malcom and Rochelle, just such good people. Now, a lot of people have asked wanting to see all my cookers and stuff, and one of them you're definitely going to see soon is I'm going to debut my Humphreys Battle Box in a video coming up. Probably a rib video, because I've been asking who wants to see some ribs. And that is an amazing box, and there's a little trip I took down there to pick it up with Ted. Some of the best smokers in the world. This is the first time I put my hands on it. This is a very special moment. So, that is Ferrari. All right, so we got Smithfield, Swift, tons of coal. Oh yeah, it's got a nice bend to it. That's right, Chad and Nicole Humphreys from Humphreys Smokers. Just another great group of people. Also coming up is some more contest videos. Recently, the Harpoon Barbecue Championship in Vermont. That was awesome. And what made it even more awesome, besides being one of the best events I've ever seen, is that I got to shadow and hang out with Bill Gillespie, Bill and Sean Gillespie, another great barbecue superstar couple. And both also the nicest people you'll ever want to meet. And Bill, come on, two-time world champion. He's got some amazing rubs and sauces, great stuff coming out. So here's a little peek at hanging out with Bill Gillespie.
80 degrees, 85 degrees, sunny, beer, barbecue.
There'll be 10,000 people here today walking around enjoying barbecue and enjoying the beer and having fun.
You don't need much, just a little char. It's kind of a combination peach cobbler, cheesecake. It's just, it worked out. Yeah.
Panic mode.
If you did like a grilled lemonade, you know, that's a recipe in my third book.
There you go, man.
Yeah.
We got to school the next day and found out
The bonfire is hot as a bitch.
Yes, there is a camera present. I know.
Do I need to remove him? I'm
No, you're good. With like one of the guys on the team. So.
Also on the plate coming up, we are going to venture out into the world of pellet cooking. That's right. I've never cooked on one. I'm actually pretty excited. There's lots of things to explore, lots of different pellet cookers, and there's lots of different pellets. So we're going to test the pellets, test the cookers, do some recipes. And now I know some of my hardcore guys right now are either clicking off or about to send a comment to me. Look, pellet cooking is a huge, gigantic, massive growing industry. Lots of guys compete with them, and a lot of people put out some really good product. And it's about the end product. And you are cooking with wood, and you are smoking. So we're going to try those out. Something else that I want you to check out, pretty exciting for me, is, and I don't know if you subscribe yet, you need to subscribe to the National Barbecue News. This is a great magazine. You can also get it digitally online. You know, I've popped some links up before, but I'm part of NEBS. I'm a board member on Northeast Barbecue Society, and you can find my name right up there. And anyways, I've been starting to do articles for them every month, and I've had a couple out, and here's one out in this month's. And this, well, it's probably out of focus. Anyways, this one is just out in September's, and this is where I talk about being brand loyal to your cooker. Speaking of pellet cookers, so check that out. Now, products coming up. We have lots of products coming up, and I have one right here. That's right, a surprise unboxing. This is called the Smokeplate. And yes, you can actually find this on Amazon already. They're brand new, but I want to open it up and look at it. So let's do that. Oh my goodness, this is quite exciting. Yes, I'm using a brand new chef knife to do this. Sorry, Dan, don't curse me. Ooh, don't puncture the speaker. All right, let's see what we're working with here. Oh, we got some peanuts. Now, from what I saw, I glimpsed at this online, and I haven't seen it in person. But it looks very, very, ooh, it feels very well made. Uh-oh. Wasn't ready for the peanuts. Looks like I'm gonna have some cleanup here. Let me see if I can work this through. There we go. Wow. Look, ooh, this thing is, that's some heavy gauge. That's some good gauge steel right there. That's 15, 16 gauge, whatever steel. Sorry about the noise. And boom, look at that. Let's get this out of the way. Wow. That is a beautiful, it's like stainless steel or, goodness gracious, look at that. That is gorgeous structure. See that smoke plate? And you see the action that's going on here? Let's see what's going on. Popping this thing in the bottom of your Weber 22, boop, and this becomes basically kind of like a slow and sear side. Very interesting. You can also sear steaks over here or smoke on the other side. That's why it's called a smoke plate. Little cutout for the, for your clean out at the bottom on your one touch. So, wow, that is incredibly well made. And these are retailing for $99 right now on Amazon. And God, it is just really solid, simple, well designed. I know we're all a little fanatic about all of our barbecue stuff, but this is gorgeous, man. I cannot wait to test that out. There's a link in the description below, directly to Amazon to find that. And that's going in the lineup to come up quick because I can't wait to try it out. All right, so there you go. There's our first testimonial let's chat with you video. Now, I know some people actually do this stuff live and they interact and they have like the feed coming up and all that. Let me figure that out because that sounds like fun. I'd like to do that. I'd like to, you know, I guess let you know when this is happening. We go live, we chat back and forth, learn some things, get some suggestions or, you know, some insults maybe, who knows. But anyways, this has been a blast so far. It's been a great ride. I really appreciate it. We've already hit 11,000, so we're going to be doing this again when we hit 15 or 20. I'll wait till we hit 20 or maybe 50. I don't know. And that's about enough for now. Thanks for tuning into our first sit-down chat video. Hopefully we'll do this live with some comments and stuff coming up once I figure that out. This button right here subscribes you if you haven't. And over here is a video I think you should watch next. See you soon. We'll talk about that in a minute.
Gentlemen gather after a long days of barbecue. Lies are about to be told here tonight, folks. That's all I can tell you.